What's the meaning of coconut matting? Coconut matting. Coconut matting.
Coconut matting. Coconut matting. Coconut matting refers to a type of mat made from coconut husks. The fibers of the husks are woven together to create a durable and eco-friendly mat that is commonly used for outdoor applications. The natural core fibers are resistant to water and abrasion, making them ideal for use in high-traffic areas. Coconut matting is commonly used as an entrance mat, as it effectively scrapes dirt and debris from shoes, preventing them from being tracked indoors. Additionally, the matting helps to prevent slips and falls by providing a textured surface to walk on.